Hi students, welcome back to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. So today we are going to do some of the applications on radius, energy and velocity. Let us start our class. So the first one I am taking that the first ionization energy. The first ionization energy, if the first ionization energy of hydrogen be capital E, then the ionization then the ionization energy of helium plus would be. So what is the ionization energy of helium plus would be? He is asking the question. So for this he has given some options also. First option is capital E, second option is 2E, third option is 0.5E, and the fourth option he has given as 4E, like that. So let us see how to do this problem here. Uh, if the first ionization of hydrogen be E, then the ionization of He plus would be, first ionization energy is nothing but, see, hydrogen, it is in the gaseous state which loses its electron, then it became H plus plus electron, it is in the gaseous state only. So this is called ionization energy. It is the first ionization of hydrogen, then it he has given as the capital E. Then he is asking the ionization energy of He plus would be, if he wants to take the He plus, then see, He, if it is losing one electron, then it becomes He plus plus electron. Then the ionization energy will be the first ionization. Then if he is taking losing the electron, then the ionization energy of He plus would be, if it is losing one more electron from the, then it becomes He plus 2 plus one more electron. So how many number of electrons has it lost over here? So two. That is nothing but it will be the second ionization energy. So the same energy will be taken for the removing of the hydrogen also. Here we have a small formula for the ionization energy calculations. Here it is I2, that is nothing but ionization energy, second ionization energy of He plus. This is if it is removing the one electron, then it is the first electron only. Again it is removing the second electron from that unipositive ion, then that is called its IE2. That I2 of hydrogen helium plus ion will be equals to the Z square into ionization energy of the first IE1 of hydrogen. IE1 of hydrogen. So here if you take Z square is nothing but helium, for he is asking to calculate helium. Helium is the 2, like that we have take 2 square into ionization energy of the hydrogen they have given as E. So it will be 4E will be the answer. Very simple. We should know the relation that IE2 of helium IE2 of helium plus should be equals to Z square into IE1. This is the topic already we'll discuss while discussing the ionization energies when the energies are given ma. Okay, then comes to the next problem. Come to the next problem. I am taking here the ratio of radii. The ratio of radii of first orbits, radii of first orbits of hydrogen, helium plus and lithium plus 2 is. So he given the options. First one is 1 is to 2 is to 3, and next one is the 6 is to 3 is to 2. Next 1 is to 4 is to 9, 9 is to 4 is to 1. So these are the options they given. What is the, so I am going to do the problem. The ratio of radii of first orbits of hydrogen, helium and lithium. So here we have a formula for the radius, right? Radius of the this one first orbits only they are asking for all. So radius of first orbit for hydrogen is equals to 0.529 into n square by z, isn't it? It is the formula n square by z. So 0.529 into n square means 1 only. 1 square by Z value for hydrogen is 1. So it will be 0.529. Next come to the first orbit of helium plus is asking. Then 0.529 into even n square value will be 1 here also, but Z value for helium will be 2. So 0.529 by 2 comes to the of lithium plus 2 he is asking. Then 0.529 into lithium 1 by lithium for 3 it is 1 square, actually 1 square by 3, then 0.529 by 3. He is asking the ratio of hydrogen, helium and lithium plus 2 he is asking. Then obviously 0.529 is to 0.529 by 2 is to 0.529 by 3. So if we are getting cancelled, then the ratio we are getting 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. Okay, you can take the LCM of this. By taking the LCM of this, we'll get that the 6 will be the LCM, then 6 is to 3 is to 2. This is the answer. So I'll go with the second option. This is the process to do the radius when they have given. Okay, one more energy problem we'll do ma here. So let us see the next problem, third one. The energy of second orbit, the energy of second orbit of hydrogen, the energy of second orbit of hydrogen is equal to the is equal to the energy of is equal to the energy of. So they have given the options. First option is fourth orbit of helium plus. Next one, fourth orbit of lithium plus 2 orbit. Next, third option, second orbit of helium plus. Next, second orbit of lithium plus 2, second orbit of lithium plus 2. So here this is the question they have given. So how to calculate the energy of second orbit of hydrogen is equal to the energy of, let us start let us first calculate the energy of second orbit of hydrogen. To know that, we should know what is the formula for the energy here. So energy of mth orbit formula is already we know that when we are taking in electron volts, we can take in any units ma. I'm taking minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volts. Electron volts I'm taking. Generally will you prefer this one because it is easy to calculate also, no powers and all, like generally prefer the electron volts per atom. So he asked the energy of first second orbit of hydrogen he asked. Then minus 13.6 into z value for hydrogen is 1 square by n he is asked for the second, so 2 square, that is minus 13.6 by 4 we are getting. So just to calculate for the remaining also, if you calculate them for the remaining, which one is getting minus 13.6, that energy will be equals to the same minus 13.6 by 4. You can also be you can also calculate just like that. So I'll go with the first option. First fourth orbit of helium plus. In this formula only I'll do fourth orbit of helium plus. Then the formula is minus 13.6 into fourth orbit of helium. Helium we have a 2 square by 4 square. So obviously it is minus 13.6 into 2 by 4 means 1 by 4 obviously. Yeah, actually we got minus 13.6 minus 13.6 into 1 by 4, both are same. I think first option is correct. We'll go for the even second option also. Fourth orbit of lithium plus 2 he said. Fourth orbit of lithium plus 2 ma, but here fourth orbit minus 13.6 into fourth orbit of lithium. Lithium is 3 square by 4 square. So it is obviously more, minus 13.6, 3 square means 9 by 16 we are getting. 9 by 16 it is not equal to minus 13.6 by 4. So not the second option. Even you can go for the second orbit. If you are going substituting here in the second orbit of helium means 2 square, then 2 square 2 square get cancel. Energy of second orbit for helium plus, then minus 13.6 into second orbit. Second orbit and helium value is 2. 2 square by 2 square. Then these two get cancelled, minus 13.6, but we want minus 13.6 by 4. It got minus 13.6. So not the third option also. Like that only you can check the fourth also. Then energy of the second orbit for lithium plus 2 is minus 13.6 into lithium for 3 square by 2 square. So it is also not equal to minus 13.6 by 4. So I'll go with the first option. So like this also we can go, we can choose the either first one is correct or second one is correct also, we can follow. Right? Now we'll go to the next problem based on energy only. I am taking the next problem also. See here, what is the energy in electron volt required to excite the electron from n equal to 1 to n equals to 2 state in the hydrogen atom. N equal to 2 state in hydrogen atom. Right? So n equal to principal quantum number, like they have given in the brackets, principal quantum number. Now the options are, first option is 13.6, second option is 3.4, third option is 17, fourth option is 10.2. So how to do this question? What is the energy in electron volt required to excite the electron from n equal to 1 to n equal to 2 state in hydrogen atom? So energy, already we know electron volt he asked. So already we have a energy minus 13.6 into z square by n square. This is the formula we are using, isn't it? So so here electrons are exciting from n equal to 1 to n equal to 2. So electrons are jumping from the first orbit to the second orbit. So here we have to calculate for the energy of the first orbit and energy of the second orbit, and also energy change we have to. So we have to calculate here change in energy between E2 minus E1. Delta E equal to E2 minus E1. E2 is nothing but minus 13.6 into z square by n2 square minus 13.6 by minus of minus 13.6 by sorry into z square by n1 square. If you do like this, we'll get the answer, isn't it? So E2 minus E1 minus 13.6 into, he asked for the hydrogen only. Hydrogen means Z value will be 1. So minus 13.6 by N2 square. N2, electrons are jumping from the N2. That is nothing but 2 square. Minus of minus 13.6 by N1 square is nothing but 1 square. So obviously we can take common of 13.6. 13.6 if you take common, minus 1 by 4, minus into minus plus 1. So we'll get 13.6 into 4 minus 1. So 3 by 4. If you calculate this, you will get the energy. That one will get 10.2 electron volts. So change in energy from this is the E2 minus E1. Delta E equal to E2 minus V1. So 10.2 means I'll go with the fourth option. So these are the some of the problems I have discussed, guys. So in my next video, I'm going to the what are the important topics we have in the atomic structure, that is de Broglie's theory, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, Aufbau principle, like that we'll go. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Share and like my videos. Just if you have any doubts, you can comments in the comments box. I'll pick up the topic and I'll explain. Okay, students, thank you. Thank you so much.